When I first started my business, one of the things that I struggled with was, how do I get more reviews on Google? Like, whenever I would ask for a review, I used to just tell them to go to my Google page and leave me a review. Sometimes they would, but most of the times they wouldn't. Like after the cleaning, like nobody's going to say, okay, let me go Google this company again and leave them a review. You know, it was really, really hard. And I struggled with like, how do I get these people to leave a review? So then I tried taking the URL of my Google page and sending it to them. And that didn't really work too good either, because it generated this long link that I text to them. So I said, okay, that's not working either. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is how you can generate a link, one link for your Google page. Okay. First of all, you have to Google my business, and you have to set up an account. Okay. So type in Google my business, and then set up a business page. That's the first thing you need to do. When you set this business page up, they're going to mail you a code. You have to get the code and then put the code inside the Google My Business page account, and then voila, you will have a business account, a business page. Yes, I put my mom's address down there. That's another question a lot of people ask. Like, what office building do I put? I mean, if you don't have an office right now, then just use your address. That's what I did. Anyway, create that account. After you create your Google My Business account, then I highly suggest you go to this site here. It's called White Smart. So I'm going to have this listed down below for you guys. And it's like so simple. What you're going to do, this site will allow you to create a link just for your Google page. So what you're going to do is take this link and use it to send to your clients. So all I'm going to do is type in a cleaning company. Let's say S&S Clean. See, it already popped up. Google will find the business. If your business doesn't pop up, then it's not on Google. Okay, so you have to go through the first step that we talked about before you can come here. Okay, you have to actually have a page, a Google page for your business. Okay, so when you type that in, Google will find it, and then it will generate a link. Voila! Now I have a link, one link that I can put into my software and automatically send it to the client when my cleaners get finished. So we generate this link, we put it in our software, and then it automatically sends out to our clients. Or you can text the link to the client, after your cleaners get finished. The best time to send these off to your client is when your client is giving you a good compliment. So when they're complimenting you, oh my God, your ladies did wonderful today. You say, oh my God, thank you so much. If you don't mind leaving us a review. Okay, that's how it's going to go. Just like that. Okay. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is if you don't want to just send the old ugly link to them, you can go to Marketing Kit. I'm going to place another link down below for you guys. And this link is called Marketing Kit. Click on the link, and it comes with free Google templates for leaving a review, for changing the name of your business, changing the hours of your business. Like, Google created all of these free templates for you and me to use. Okay, so I highly recommend you go on that site and check out all those free templates that you can use. You can send the template out to your clients along with this link and get a review. Try to get reviews after every clean. Okay, once you automate your reviews, that's how you generate more views. Basically, that's it in a nutshell. But you just have to get in the habit of asking for those reviews, especially when they are giving you a good compliment. Okay, so that's my time. Those are my tips. I highly recommend you guys use them. And if you have any questions, feel free to schedule a consultation with me. And I'm gone.